pivot lock.
You have to put the water.
Which is easy, it just moves the water.
I am recording now.
So you didn't record Arctic stuff?
No.
I recorded a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's like practically instant. You have so much.
Oh wait, no. So the blue box, you don't want to go. You don't.
Don't
Yeah,
want to get
the blue box is trying to miss.
Avoid this way.
He was perfectly getting hit every time.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
This is not ours.
It's the cat, bro.
I'm the easiest one, man.
Alright.
And for the shift, you have to hit it a bunch.
Yeah, you have to
Yeah,
basically
just
spam
spam,
that
right?
sucker.
The capybara is
Like, right away?
impossible.
Yeah,
It's
these
not
kids are
impossible.
scrubs.
No, it's not impossible.
Best
You
gamers,
know,
that's
it's-
why they roll.
It's not the best gamers.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, capybara's got it down.
You're not even giving the right shift something to do.
I kind of want to do it different.
It's not that hard.
You're letting it drag way too much.
Let's stay, boys.
Wait, which one?
Wait, what do I do?
Number
Up
44
and
is
down.
still
Don't
there.
hit the blue thing.
Don't hit the arrows. You are the blue thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm this.
Hey, 44, all I gotta do is press shift.
Oh, yeah, this is it. See, I told you the capybara.
Uh-oh, I'm a little nervous.
Press shift, spam it.
Nice.
Nice.
Here we go.
I'm nervous now.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, I don't think I mentioned
They're
it before,
in.
but
They're locked in.
it speeds up over
Oh
time.
my god!
Here it is.
No.
Oh my god.
They got it.
Dang, that's crazy.
It's hard. You want to try?
What do you think they're at right now?
Oh,
wait,
shoot!
what?
Oh, wait.
Oh my god!
Dang.
Oh
my
There we go. There's our next esports team right there.
Esports.
Honestly, it's a lot
Esports
less
team.
toxic than the old one. I'll take it.
Okay.